Each of us is different. We all want confidence, but we all have different lives to live. I would like you to think for a moment now about what you want confidence for. Take a moment or two to think about that. Where will you use it? What changes will it make for you as you are more confident? Let's take a specific example. Imagine a scene in your head now where you are totally confident. Imagine you are seeing a film right now of a time in the future when you're using your confidence to achieve something you really enjoy. Do whatever you would do if you knew you couldn't fail.
It's on you to be you. You're way too old to be acting brand new. You think you can't? But yes, you can too. I hear too many people saying it could never happen for me. Self-doubt, low self-esteem, way too many insecurities. And it's affecting your relationship. It's affecting your job. It's affecting you at school. It's affecting your business. It's affecting your overall mental health.
When he was a young man to protect his sheep, he wrestled with a grizzly bear and killed a bear. He took on a man-eating lion and tore it apart with his own hands. This man knew what strong confidence was all about. And this is what he says in Psalm 27. Just listen to the wonderful sense of confidence that he has in God. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? When evildoers assail me, uttering slanders against me, my adversaries and my foes, they shall stumble and
fall. Just sit back now and watch yourself achieving excellence. Notice how you look, the expression on your face, the light in your eyes. Notice the life, the grace and the elegance in your movements. Let the camera of your mind move all around the scene and replay it as slowly or as fast as you wish, as many times as you wish, so that you become fully acquainted with every aspect of your presence during a moment of successful achievement. Notice how you're sitting or standing, your expression, and your movement that lets you know that this is a moment of great success. The concentration or happiness on your face.
So stop telling yourself that you can't do it. See, self-doubt is rooted in negative self-talk. So we're going to get out of our own head and make sure the conversations that we're having with ourselves is positive. Yes, I can. Yes, I will. Yes, it will work for me. I'm going to get the job. Speak it into existence. But on the other hand, you are doubting yourself because you keep listening to what everybody else is telling you. You're no good. What makes you think that you can do that? He ain't gonna love you. She ain't gonna love you. They just using you. They planting all these seeds in your mind and you're accepting them and you're processing them and you're giving the exact same meaning that they're trying to give to them.
Though a host encamp against me, my heart shall not fear. Though war arise against me, yet I will be confident. One thing I've asked of the Lord, that will I seek after, that I might dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life, to behold the beauty of the Lord, and to inquire in his temple. For he will hide me in his shelter in the day of trouble. He will conceal me under the cover of his tent. He will set me high upon a rock. And now my head shall be lifted up above my enemies round about me. And I will offer in his tent sacrifices with shouts of joy. I will sing and make melody to the Lord. Hear, O Lord, when I cry aloud. Be gracious to me and answer me. Thou hast said, seek ye my face. My heart says to thee, thy face, O Lord, do I seek.
So not only do you have to get out of your own head, you have to get them out of your head too. Because just because they say it does not make it fact. Never allow someone else's opinion of you to become your reality. People prey on those with low self-esteem and insecurities. So you have to stand up for yourself and say, no. What you say to me is not my reality. Block out the noise. Get out of your own head. Get them out of your head.
The grace, ease, or commitment of your movements, the sense of mastery. And pay attention here to the sensations in your body, and notice how your body responds to your imagination. Your body responds to all the pictures that are conjured up in your mind, deliberately or accidentally, in exactly the same way. Now, you are going to use this responsiveness. As you continue to visualize this time of confidence, and as you feel the pleasure and power of it, gently and precisely press together the finger and thumb of one hand. Doesn't matter which hand, just do it.
Turn not thy servant away in anger, thou who hast been my help. Cast me not off, forsake me not, O God of my salvation. For my father and my mother have forsaken me, but the Lord will take me up. Teach me thy way, O Lord, and lead me on a level path because of my enemies. Give me not up to the will of my adversaries. For false witnesses have risen against me, and they breathe out violence.
And start consistently telling yourself that you can, you will achieve, that it can happen for you, that you can be the best, that you are the best, because you're not broken. We all need little tune-ups from time to time. We all can learn and grow each and every day. But there's absolutely no reason, I don't care what happened to you in your past, you can overcome it. But you have to find a way to stop letting self-doubt creep into your mental space. Be it from you, or be it from those around you. We're overcoming self-doubt today. No self-doubt, no low self-esteem. We're overcoming our insecurities, because we are trying to win every day of our lives. And it's very, very difficult to win when you keep letting that self-doubt creep in. So no more self-doubt. Now do me a favor. No. Do yourself a favor. Go be great and elevate.